Hello students, my name is Brijesh Kumar Singh, Department of Information Technology. In this video, I am going to discuss the Python programming lab experiments. Objective of today's lab experiment is write a program to demonstrate basic data type in Python. First of all, let us understand what are the data types in Python. There are the several data types in the Python like numeric or number, and second one is a dictionary data type, and third one is a Boolean data type, and next one is the set, and next one is the sequence type. Numeric data type is also divided into three types. First one is an integer type, float, and complex number. And sequence data type is also divided into three parts. First one is a string, second one is a list, and third one is the tuple. Now we will discuss one by one. First of all, what is the integer? Integer, positive or negative whole numbers without a decimal point. Right? Now I am going to demonstrate these data types one by one. Now I am going to open the Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, I am going to create a file with the .py extension. Then use the command touch, then file name exp1.py, then press enter. File exp1.py is created. Now I want to open the exp1.py file to write the Python code. Then use the command code, then file name exp1.py, and press enter. It will be open. Okay, now exp1.py file is open in the editor window. So we can write the code in the editor window. Write a program to demonstrate the basic data type in Python. Let us create a variable x and assign the value of 10. Let us create a variable x and assign the value of 10. Here x is the integer. Now we want to check the type of x. Then we will use the type function. Right, print type of variable x. Then save the file, press Ctrl S, and now I am going to run this program. Then go to the terminal window. For move to the terminal window, we will press the Ctrl plus tilde button, and for executing this file, we will use the command python, then file name. File name is the exp1.py. Press enter. Here x is the integer type, means x is the integer, right? Now next data type is floating point, real number with the decimal point, that is called floating point number. For example, suppose v equal to 10.58. b is the 10.58. b is the floating point number. Now we want to check the type of b. Then print, use the type function, then print type of b. Control S, save the word and run this program. Python.exp1.py, Python space exp1.py, and press enter. Here b is the floating point number. B is the floating point number. We can write okay, and suppose c equal to 5 plus 10j. Now we want to check the type of the variable c, then use print, then type of c, press Ctrl S, go to the terminal window and run this program. Type C is the complex type number, right? Okay, for Boolean data type, Boolean data type is a true or false value. For Boolean data type, take a comparison operator like d equal to 10 greater than 5. Now I want to check the type of d. Now I want to check the type of d. Then print type of variable d is type of d. Control S, then execute this program. Okay, type of variable d is the Boolean type. Type of variable d is the Boolean type. If execute this, we will get the value as the true or false. Boolean type. Now print the I will have the output as the true or false. Here 10 is greater than 5. It's true. It will print D. Control S, run this program. Okay, this will print the true. Suppose I'm going to take another condition like f equal to 5 greater than 10, then print, it should print false, print f. Control S and run this program. Means if 5 is greater than 10 is the false, then it will print the output as false. Here d equal to 10 greater than 5, it will print output as the true, right? If 5 is greater than 10, it will print output as the false. Okay. Now next data type is the string. Next data type is the string. Anything, what is a string? Anything which is the written under the single or double quote is treated as the string. Another another point regarding string is the string is the text value composed of a sequence of the character, right? Anything which is written under the single or double quote, that is treated as string. Now I am going to create a string str1 equal to, in single quote, write the anything, hello everyone. Hello everyone is treated as the string, right? And another string 2 equal to, in between double in inverted comma, how are you? How are you is also treated as the string 2. Hello everyone is also treated as the string 1, and this is the string 2. Now I want to print the first character of the string 1 and last character of the string 2. Now I want to print the first character of the string 1 and last character of the string 2. Then print we will use the indexing value for print the first character of the string and last character of the string. Now print first character of string 1 is str1, and then we will use the indexing value 0 of first character. It will print the first character of the string. First character of the string 1 means it should print the h. Let us execute this program, run this program. Okay. str, okay, str. Now save this program, press the Ctrl S and run this program. Okay, first character of string 1 is h. Suppose I want to print the first character of string 1 is the h, right? Now I want to print the last character of string 2. Last character of string 2. Then we will use the indexing value, negative indexing value -1. Control S Control S and execute this program. Okay, string 2, last character of string 2 is E. Let us check in the, sorry, string 1. Okay. Last character of string 1 is here, string 1. String 1 is E. Now I want to print the last character of string 2. Okay, Control S and run this program. It should print the U. So here last character of string 2 is the U, right? Okay. Now I want to print only hello word from string 1. How how will I do that? Now I want to print the hello word from the string 1. Okay, so uh, print first print first word from string 1 is string 1 is okay, string 1 0 to 5, indexing value 5, then it will print the hello word. Now indexing value of h is 0, e is 1, l is 1, 2, and next one l is 3 and o is 4. Now here I want to print the hello, then we will use the index value as the 5, right? Now control s print. Okay, here first word of hello is printed over here, right? Now I am going to discuss some operations which we can perform on the string. First function is the find function. Return the position of the string. Suppose I have a string str3 equal to Rajasthan. String 3 is the Rajasthan, and suppose I want to find the position of the substring. Suppose I want to find the position of substring JA, then from the string 3, then what I need to do, we will do string 3 dot find of substring JA and store in the variable a equal to, now print position of substring JA is printed. Then execute this program. It should print position of JA. It should print JA means position of JA in the string 3. Now indexing value of R is 0, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it should print the position of the J is the starting position indexing value of J. It should print the 2. Now let us check, execute this program. ओके, सब स्ट्रिंग पोजीशन ऑफ सब स्ट्रिंग इज ए 2। यहाँ पे सब स्ट्रिंग 2 क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि हमें जो इसका इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे, राजस्थान जो स्ट्रिंग है जिसका फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर का इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू होगा 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 अब, राइट। सो इसमें क्या होगा, फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर ऑफ सब स्ट्रिंग का जो इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू होगा उसको प्रिंट करेगा। तो हमें क्या था, J1 का अगर हमें इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू प्रिंट करना था, देन हमने यूज किया फाइंड फंक्शन, स्ट्रिंग 3 डॉट फाइंड, देन कौन सा स्ट्रिंग आपको जो है कि किसका पोजीशन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। हमने J1 का पोजीशन फाइंड आउट किया, देन इट विल प्रिंट द 2, राइट, इट विल प्रिंट द 2। ओके, नाउ use another function, replace function. Replace function is replace one character with the another character. Suppose I have a string, for example okay, I have a string str4 equal to str4 equal to Delhi, right? Suppose I want to replace the h with r, so we will do str4 dot replace h with r, right, h with capital R, then it should replace h with the capital R. Now I am going to print, suppose store another variable b equal to this. Now I am to print the string after replacing, then use a print string will print after replacing is b. Okay, here h is replaced with the r, right? Here, okay, next function is a count function. Suppose we have a string 5 equal to Rajasthan, right? Then if we want to print the occurrence of any characters, हमें क्या करना है, किसी भी कैरेक्टर्स का जो कि हमें occurrence काउंट करना है, देन क्या करेंगे, you will use the count function. Count function return the count of the characters in the string. Count function क्या करेगा, characters in the string, तो d equal to string 5 dot count what? Suppose I want to count the a, then print print count A is T. Now run the program. It will 3, right? In this string there are the 3 A's, 1, 2 and 3, right? Suppose, okay, now I am going to discuss another function like upper function. Suppose I want to print this string 5 in uppercase, so we'll write print use the okay upper, you want to print the string 5 in uppercase, then d equal to string 5 dot upper string 5 dot upper, then print string 5 in uppercase is D. Control S, run this program. Okay, Rajasthan is printed as a uppercase. Now I want to print string 5 in the lowercase, simply use the lower function, right? Lower. It will print string 5 in lowercase. Rajasthan is in the lowercase, right? Now next data type is the tuple. Tuple are the group of values. Tuple in the ordered collections. Now I am going to create a tuple I want to create a empty tuple, then T1 equal to tuple will represent parenthesis, it is the empty tuple, Now I want to print the empty tuple, print empty tuple is T1. ये क्या होगा, empty tuple है, रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Now tuple contain the sub element like T1 equal to 10, 20, 30, A, B, C. Now I want to print the tuple value, then print tuple element, then print T1. Control S. Okay, tuple element are the 10, 20 and 30, right? Suppose I want to access the element of tuple. Suppose I want to print the 20, right? I want to print the 20. Now we will use the indexing value, right? हम क्या करेंगे, इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल प्रिंट second element of tuple is we will use the indexing value t1. Second tuple means indexing value will be the 1 because 10 का indexing value क्या होगा आपका 0 होगा, 20 का 1, 2 and 3. Then I want to print the 20, then we will use the indexing value as 1. Then control S, then it should print the 20 only. Okay, second element of tuple is 20. Suppose I want to print the last element of the tuple, then we will use negative indexing value. ठीक है, और लास्ट एलिमेंट को प्रिंट करता है नेगेटिव इंडेक्सिंग वैल्यू, राइट? कंट्रोल एस एंड प्रिंट ABC, right? This is the tuple. Now what is the list? List what is the list? List is an ordered collection, right? List is an ordered collection. Suppose I want to create a empty list, it will be represented in square bracket. This is the empty list. I want to print the empty list. Suppose list contain some elements like 20, 50, 60, 1 plus 4. Then I want to print the elements of the list. Elements of list is okay. Element of list is L1. And run this program. It will print the 10, 50, 60 and 5. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 10 लिस्ट में 1 plus 4 इसको क्या करेगा, ऐड करके जो देन ये प्रिंट करेगा यहाँ पे 1 plus 4 equal to 5, right? Suppose I want to print the 60 from the list, then also we will use the indexing value. Print third element of list is L1. indexing value of third element is the will be the 2, then it will print the 60. दूसरे पोजीशन पे थर्ड पोजीशन पे कौन सा एलिमेंट था 60, then it will print the 60. Okay, suppose I want to calculate the length of the list, then we will use the len function. Length of string, then print length of list, sorry, string, not string, list. Length of list is L1, sorry, len of L1. Control S and print. Length of string is 4. इसमें क्या है 4 एलिमेंट है 1 2 3 1 plus 4 considered as a single element, right? 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Then it will print the length of list is the 1 2 3 and 4, right? And it will print the length of string is the 4. Enter window. Suppose I am at the another element A B C, then it should print the 5. Length of string will be the 5. Okay, thank you.